check that out later. Now tomorrow you will firstly need to see if we continue to have that selling continuation structure right there. Now we barely broke blue, so the market may take some time to grind in that orange or green, so that's absolutely possible. So just be more mindful of that. Look out for that selling continuation. The selling may not even be that intense if there is no catalyst, so just be more careful on the way down here. Use the orange to guide you unless we start to build more liquidity here. So best case scenario is if there is continuation. It's easier to trade if there's continuation. So don't be looking out for directional trades, but rather look out for continuation as well as major levels to be looking out for. If we do have a stronger structure with the blue algorithm, that will be ideal if it wants to continue the way down. You have already seen that happening, or we built a larger structure right here. Now 5-day at this point will trend to about that 639 level if we open at the similar area right here within the orange and magenta algorithm here. So if we open about here, you will see 5-day trend to about 639. So that makes it easy if you have a decision if this wants to start reclaiming previous highs, previous lows. That will be firstly the break of the magenta right there. So look out for the magenta, because this is liquidity of the magenta here. Otherwise, wait for cups to close, as I always tell you. By then, your 5-day may have already turned into some sort of support, and we will wait to see structure here to at least reclaim 5-day moving average and the main liquidity of that green and magenta liquidity right there. Now you have to watch yesterday's video, especially Discord members. There is a full trading video. So that video will show you what I was telling you about to look out for in order to know that there is no more supply overhang, and to understand when the bounce may be coming, and explaining using the macro structure on this particular bounce that you may be looking out for. So quite straightforward. Just continue to let the 30-minute chart, you see how penny perfect this is, isn't it? And let the 30-minute chart guide you. And on the 1 minute, if there is a reversal coming, you have to wait for the cups to close. Right by then, you would see 5-day already coming in, and you will see a beautiful structure. Right, previous lows will be reclaimed, so that will be quite important. And that's what you see here in the 30-minute chart if it wants to happen. Right, and obviously the larger cup close where the 5-day moving average will be if it wants to grab more liquidity on the way up. Right, but otherwise, I've been showing you this. Right, I've always been showing you this, how the 5-day is just guiding the trend downward, and you see we've always been selling in that magenta and that orange, and in the midst of it, the green selling that's activated. That will be ideal for day trading as well. We will see the green activated within the orange. So just be more mindful of that. Be careful when you trade level by level, algorithm by algorithm, trade as structure demands. So please watch yesterday's video if you have not. Very important. Today will be a piece of cake for you if you watched yesterday's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you closer to opening bell.